Thanks for joining us today as we check out this 2018 Winnebago Fuse. It's floor plan 23T. It's a Class C RV, and you'll notice it does have that Ford Transit chassis. It's 3.2 liter inline 5 power stroke diesel engine, super powerful. Now you'll notice that it's only 24 feet long, so very, very manageable on the roads. The height is 10 feet and the width is 7 foot 6 inches. And you'll also notice that you have lots of exterior storage compartments, which is really nice. I think this thing has like 35 cubic feet of storage in the exterior side. And then right there, you've got your Conan 2500 generator. Super nice to have that generator capability. And you've also got your water hookups over there. You've got your black flush tank. Now this does have a 33-gallon freshwater tank, 43 gray, and 40-gallon black water tank. There's your 30-amp power cord right there. And there's your black and gray waste tank. Easy access, right? Now back here, you'll notice you do have a tow package, so you can tow up to 5,000 pounds. You also have those stabilizers, and you've got your backup camera, your bike racks, and I believe this has 2 solar panels, doesn't it? I think so. Let's check it out. Okay, yeah, you've got some solar panels up here, so you got your rooftop AC. Looks like it's in pretty good condition too. Really, really convenient. All right, then over here, look at that. You've got a power slide to really expand that space. You've also got that power awning with LED lights. So nice. I really love the awnings because it allows you to really enjoy the great outdoors, you know, and that's what it's all about. Camping is just, when you can camp, you're living the good life. Let's check out the inside. All right, as you head inside of this Winnebago, you'll notice it does sleep 4. You've got that awesome kitchen space. You've even got that queen size bedroom, very roomy inside, and you've even got that large bathroom area. Check out the cab. All right, so now we're inside the cab area, and I really love these captain seats. They're very easy to keep clean, super comfy. You've got your nice big mirrors right there. And then as we head over to your steering wheel, you have your cluster controls, your cruise control, and then you also have that voice command, of course. And now this is a 6-speed automatic transmission. And then as we head over to your media center, you've got all those cool features. You've got your audio controls, so you can subscribe to stereos. You can also connect absolutely free via Bluetooth. There's your hands-free voice communication. And this also comes with navigation, which is really nice. So you can get turn-by-turn directions. Now you've also got that Sirius Travel Link, which is really convenient. It's also subscribable, and you've got lots of other apps, as you can see right there. Now up here you do have your really nice backup camera, so that's a really nice big screen, so you're gonna be able to see exactly what's going on behind you. And then as we head down, you do have your air conditioning and heating, cup holders, 12-volt USB port right there, and then another USB port there. That's really nice to have those extras. And you've also got lots of little cubbies to put your maps and your devices so they don't flop around all over the place. So let's check out the back of this motorhome. It's so convenient and so comfy. I love it. All right, so now you'll notice this is kind of the kitchen family room area. You've got a really nice TV up here. You've also got this flex bed area where you can sleep 2 people, but it also offers bench seating so you can sit down and eat your breakfast. You'll notice there's a lot of storage cabinets all over the place. I really love that. You've also got your ducted air conditioning unit. There's your electric fan. And then over here you've got your antenna. More storage over here. And then, of course, look at all that storage. You could put bedding in there. Lots of space for all that kind of stuff. You've got some Bluetooth speakers down here. I really love these window coverings because they're super easy to use. You can black out, and you can enjoy the day, and then you can open them if you'd like to do that as well. And then over here, more cabinet space. Lots of cabinets. I really like these. Really easy to open. And then you'll notice over here you've got some of your controls for your windows. There's your power awning, your coach battery. This does come with two group 24 batteries. You've got drawer space right there. You also have more cabinet space, kind of a pantry situation. You can put some cans in there, really nice. They go way back. You also have that grab bar, which is really important, really sturdy. You've got more drawer space here. This opens all the way. And then you have your refrigerator, nor cold freezer, refrigerator, freezer. And it's quite large. So you can put a ton of stuff in there. And then over here, you've got your little kitchen area. So you can dice and chop right up here. It also doubles as a stainless steel sink. So really, really convenient. You've, of course, got that pull-out faucet, which is really nice. And then you also have power outlets here. And then a little spice rack here. And a power outlet up there. And look at that, you've got that really nice Suburban cooktop stove, but it comes with this nice cover, so you can also use it as counter space, which is great. You've got a high point microwave, looks like it's in excellent condition. And you do have under cabinets lighting, so it's not super dark in here. Then over here, you've got your Suburban furnace. You also have your one-place control panel, so you can see your water levels, your water heat, your propane, all that good stuff. This does have a 13-gallon propane tank and a 6-gallon water heater. There's your solar charge controller, holding tank, and there's your power slide. Now you'll notice over here you do have lots of cabinet space. Again, you can put your trash can there. And then you also have more drawers. There's all your remotes, of course. Very deep drawer space. So important. And then there's some more drawers. In excellent condition. This is, oh my gosh, this is in really good condition. Really nice. You've got some wardrobe cabinet space back here. So you can hang all your clothes in there. And then more drawer space for your clothing items. And then over here, you've got your nice mirrored door. And then you've got that large shower with a toilet and a bathroom. I love that skylight. You do have that electric fan as well. Okay, so this is your power slide back here. So this gives you a kind of wrap around queen size bed. And look at that, you've got a TV in here. So convenient. All your hookups, everything's ready to go. You've got your LED lights, your ceiling lights. You've got lighting back here and under cabinet lighting. And look at more storage. So nice. You've also got 12-volt USB connections right there. You've got your Bluetooth speakers here, your window coverings. Really nice. And this bed is super comfy. I mean, and you've got all these nice windows. It just really allows you to enjoy the great outdoors, even when you're sleeping. So nice. So if you're in the market for a Class C RV, you really want a full-size, queen-size bedroom, but you don't want to drive some 30, 40-foot RV, and you want that full kitchen, that nice-sized bathroom, and that awesome Ford Transit diesel chassis. Check this one out on our website at WowWoodys.com, or just come visit us on our 15-acre megalot, where we have nearly 1,000 vehicles and RVs. And you can see all of our RVs just by going to WowRVs.com. I'm Sonia. Until next time. Wow.